everybody, and welcome to Hands on Science, where if you ever need something to do, this is the place to be. This is Carr.
And this is Mel.
Hey, Carr.
Hey, Mel.
Hey.
What's
with
the magnet
magnets.
donut?
These are magnets. These are very powerful.
Okay.
They're strong.
Okay.
We're gonna make them float.
Like levitate?
Like levitate, float.
No, you're
Can
not.
you imagine? Yeah. So I just got a pencil. This is actually putty.
Oh,
yeah,
just like clay?
Clay that's
putty?
non-hardening, just to kind of let it
Gotcha.
stand. So there's like a positive, negative. They sometimes call it north
and south.
Yeah.
Got it.
Okay, so we're gonna we need to make sure when we float the magnets that they're actually like, you see what I'm doing? Not really connecting. Yeah, not attracting each other. We want it to be.
So
ooh.
That one I felt.
Yeah.
Whole.
Yeah. Whoa.
Oh, and that one pushed.
That was pretty good, Carr. So watch when I. Okay, so I found it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because you see how it's kind of like pulling like that.
Yeah, that one attracted it.
That one attracted it. You actually want it the opposite. Okay. So that it's not.
And that one pushed it away.
There you go.
Okay.
Then you know it's not attracting. Okay.
Right. So opposites attract, and
yes,
the same poles will repel.
Exactly.
Got it. Okay.
Okay. So I'm gonna put one in, and let's see if it works. So you see what happens?
That's super cool.
Yeah.
I love magnets. I love playing with magnets. It's so cool. As much as I did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And as always, hit that subscribe button for more Hands on Science. We'll see you next time.
Bye.